Today, I will be opening the Japanese latest set, Incandescent Arcana. I'm really excited and wanted to pull the Serena Full Art trainer. This set will be equivalent to the latest English set, Silver Tempest, coming in November. Paper Ditto is here to start the ball rolling. Sadly, no first pack magic. We got the double banger second pack. The more I'll be in V-Star. This is the new format from the latest set where the V card will be followed by a V-Star hit. Wow, we pulled a hyper rare gold V-Guard energy card. What a pull from our fourth pack. This could be the best card from today's opening. I hope not. Here comes Arvish. Let's go. Our second double hit pack. This time round from we pull the Majana V regular rare followed by the Gardevoir character rare. Very nice. Here comes the Radiant Pokemon from this set, Serena. Sadly, this is not the Radiant that I want, I prefer the Alakazam and Jirachi. Another hit. Our second character rare Sneasel. The artwork in this card is absolutely fantastic, which brings the card alive. Loving it. First appearance of Ghastly to bring us some luck. Our third double hit pack. The Superior V and V-Star combo. Adore the colors in the card. Nice, possibly the last character rare in our box, Melodic. The artwork for all the character rare in this set is amazing. Two consecutive packs of nothing. I think we have pulled most of the hits from this set earlier. Not expecting much from the remaining packs. Can our Caterpie defy the odds? Nice hit, Reshiram V regular rare. This is my favorite V card from today's opening. Consecutive blank pulls. No last pack magic either as predicted. A quick recap from today's opening. We have pulled 4 regulars V cards. Another 2 V-Star cards. Then we have 3 character rares from this set, and a Radiant Serena. Last but not least, the Gold Energy card. Thank you for watching and please help to subscribe.